Hello everyone, it's Vanilla Ink's daily update, or as we know, the daily video where Scott touches his face a lot. It's March the 25th, which means it is 9 months to Christmas, so Merry Christmas, lads. So I have nothing to say. So with a raging lack of content and absolutely no quality patter at all, I headed out for a walk and we made a nature documentary. Please enjoy. Are you filming, Amy?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, good afternoon, or good evening, or good morning, or just hello from wherever you may be in the world. Hello from a very moist Eaglesome. The air is moist, the ground is moist, and I am moist. I've come out for a walk. Nice, it's quiet, and Jess is happy. So, I have absolutely nothing to say. The air is heavy, thick, and still a bit like me when Kate asks me a question. The noise we hear all around us is the piercing cry of the rare Eaglesome vulture, which mates for only 2 hours a year on the 25th of March. Their cries, confused, worried, annoyed about the pandemic as well. "Oh Jimmy, what's going on?" they're saying. "I don't know, Bob. There's nae humans about." "Does this mean we can mate?" "I'm no sure," says Bob back. Humanity is confused. The vultures are confused too. With Eaglesome's vultures under threat, who knows how long their very existence will survive. All I know is that if you give me money, I will guarantee I will totally 100% put it towards conservation of this rare and beautiful bird. 0898, donate now. Thank you. So, if you can, please donate to the cause to save the rare Eaglesome vulture. I'm off now. I'm away to contemplate how terrible what I do is. So I want you all to stay safe, keep well, and most importantly, be kind to one another. Corona cough. Alright, see you after. Bye.